Jeremiah 29:11 is well known and often quoted, but listen again closely today. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. You know, oftentimes we look at our lives and wonder what in the world is going on. Nothing seems to be going right. Things seem to be falling apart. First things first, we need to ask ourselves, whose plan am I following? His plans are to prosper you and not to harm you. So we need to check first to make sure that we're following Him and not our own desires or ideas. Proverbs 14:12 reminds us there's a way that appears to be right, but in the end it leads to death. Now, just because it seemed like a good idea at the time doesn't mean that it was the right choice. But also, just because things aren't going right or falling into place doesn't mean that you're not on the right path. But when everything seems to be crashing down around you, make sure first and foremost that you're following where Jesus wants to take you. Following Jesus doesn't make us immune to trouble. He said in John 16:33 that in this world you will have trouble, but be of good cheer, I've overcome the world. So when troubles do come, just make sure you're following His direction so that you'll overcome as well.